Do you want to know the number one reason why you will fail at eBay dropshipping in 2018? Well, it's the same reason why I failed in 2018.
Do you wanna be free? I said, do you wanna be?
And it was because I wasn't stock monitoring all my listings. So I would copy a product from Amazon, I would paste all the details into a listing on eBay. That listing would then sell. I would make a little bit of profit, and it was fine. Great. Then I did this, and I kept doing this, and I kept making profit. However, a few weeks down the line, I'd cancelled way too many orders, and this was because someone would purchase it off me, a product off me. I would go to the source site, I would go to Amazon, Wilco, whatever it was where I found the product, and then I would see that that product is now out of stock. So I'd have to cancel the order. So the solution to this is to use software. Now, the software which I use is called BeefDS. What BeefDS does is it allows you to copy links from Amazon and other source sites straight into BeefDS. Then it will automatically generate a really nice description for you. All you have to do is fill in the item specifics, and then what that will do is it will then post that to eBay straight away, but it will also monitor that. So every time that item goes out of stock on the source site, it will take it down off eBay temporarily until it's back in stock. And if it's been out of stock for too long, maybe the product's been discontinued, then it will let you know as well, and you can then take it down off eBay yourself. But it's absolutely essential to get a software like this for eBay dropshipping, because without it, your seller level will just rapidly decrease, especially if you're going for a bigger store and more profits. BeefDS does loads of other things, so repricing listings until you get a sale, which is fantastic. It really does help generate those sales. Then also sniping. So if you're not sure, if you're a beginner dropshipper, you're not sure what products to maybe start out with, there's a tutorial on BeefDS and a tool that you can use to put other eBay dropshippers' usernames into the program. It will then go on Amazon and find products that at a cheaper price than them on the same title, and then profit. It might only be a little bit, but it's great to get going. You know, you could be making 60p a time, but it's great to get that initial feedback up and also find loads of products that definitely can be drop shipped. Great for beginners. And yeah, it has allowed me to scale my store way past 500 listings with no cancelled orders. There you have it. BeefDS, stock monitoring, eBay dropshipping. Go ahead and just sign up. Select a plan. You know, £8 a month, and you could be taking home £500 a month from your store. So that's only, that's £492 a month. You also get access to the Facebook support group, 24/7 customer support, live chat. So go below, select a plan, sign up an account. Hopefully, we'll see you dropshipping soon.